Joe wanyame nuko itashi plug na mene we shami okay tashi superstar ko mi ekpe ye owas mo lenche eche egbe ko ni at least okay la na sande gba fi yo no mo oja plug no.
Oh yeah, I told me Mike Tomkie. Yeah, Mike Tomkie.
Shinu mo ko ke Mike Tomkie tashi yo owas mo le ake Mike Tomkie ogbe denche ni alo o nickname.
Oh, Tomkie a nickname she Mike Ngbe ni.
Oh vana mi jo full name kake atona anake shikwan jo ni mi jo gbe denche ni ake bobo tashi.
Oh, I told me Mike Adom Note.
Oh, okay, ni try get dey tashi no crunching at least o da be.
Da for me.
Okay. Shike ake Mike Tomkie na moji Mike Tomkie. Mini man be kelebo.
Oh, eji lala follow on.
Okay.
I'm an artist.
Okay. She before ni me manu Mike Tomkie. No me a group ko ni atwa me beshi.
Yeah.
Ni beshi group da na manu ake de Mike Tomkie she no me wo fin wo follow like she beshi bi ni hani le Mike Tomkie. Ani beshi bi ni keboba alo bodenche o join beshi mi ji o get beshi bi a relationship. Ando gba was an feel beshi bi aye.
Oh yeah, beshi wale beshi ji crew ko no watch tribute ne.
Okay.
No get promote artist talent.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh beshi me wo watch where no me leader.
Okay.
Boy Charlie, is an artist, you understand?
Okay.
Yeah, or after let me.
Okay.
We can promote voice on other talents,
Nice.
dances, mufiamo, skills. Yeah.
All right. Oh, she still a beshi a functional lolo.
Beshi, yes, she watch your code on that.
Okay. Oh, Teshi would die officially. Teshi would die. No fair, no fair. Teshi would die.
No fear, no Teshi.
No before ni obabon la money at least we feel like officially. So before no bad you have interest in music. She moko ni inspire. We don't okay at least but you can make it. Ke okwe na money humble like wale ake obanyola.
Oh, me ale music from my childhood. Ni mami ke ina me da ne shia ala.
Okay.
Yeah. Everything shia me renche ala shia me. Bene me lakpan la bene me online everything shia me renche music.
Okay.
Ana inni me ke in uncles friend renche ala. Jenny renche me ni inna make inna ni ani inulala inshi.
Okay.
Because ala ni leka ala to ala tena jigbe me can be shia renche music. Dani mabale officially.
Yeah.
Ibi Shatawale.
Oh yes.
You understand no more.
Okay. Oba Shatawale struggles ke it has to learn it motivate to work even boy then check even boy ko le bi ni bo ta wala je like you can start from somewhere.
Yeah.
All right. Recently on again okay Miss Bill in a rapport ko ni try again. Okay Miss Bill ne feel like release ke out. Tell like Miss Bill collaboration by time because me no more be like Miss Bill just small artist ni.
Yeah.
If you can get small artist ni Miss Bill legend ni. She could still a fresh war. Mokume na as a legend. She was tell me like a Miss Bill legend.
Yeah.
And reaching to Miss Bill a bit easy na guy.
Yeah.
I get testing artist ni any meet Miss Bill is an achievement. Or be I can she take like a link up by the
Oh yeah. Miss Bill was another Charlie. I get drama.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
And the intention quick try me. You came here video no ba fe shop me yona. She Miss Bill na interest lala ni me name. Okay, wow.
Lala ni di bo njo lala no wala. Oh, okay. Okay.
You understand?
All right.
You fall in love with lala me.
Okay.
Charlie Waffy remix, you understand? Something like that.
All right.
She been be ale on feel like ni echi wo.
Yeah.
Okay, laughing po ba le poni lenche ona.
Oh, okay.
Ike dromo yo ke jomo.
Ike jomo afon no.
Afon lala no ni lala.
Nice. Yo bia na mo ono lala Miss Bill ono alo nyanya ono lala.
Lala original one
Okay.
Understand? Still audio market.
All right.
Digital platform, you understand?
Okay.
She it's like a cover.
A cover.
Yeah.
Oh, be everything is for Miss Bill.
Yeah,
Nela hale. Ke okwe the rate at which lala ni ola yale does it motivate you to do more music because okwe growth ni bene yale ni ojension expectation no na the way speed ni o can grow it motivate you still stay in music allo okwe inches feel come
Oh yeah, yanele kechon misbel poi wo yani ina vim more vim ake no I do more.
Oh, okay.
You understand because o feel la ni legend.
Yes, sir.
Misbel
Yes, sir.
then
Okay.
then you are doing well.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, but otono obi mo mi twan again. Even Paula la any legend there, but you are doing something right. Yes, I know. Keep doing it because you don't know when your star will shine. Ni level ni boto. Although Bomodeni men nabu you want to reach a peak koni.
Yeah.
Definitely you will get there.
Yeah.
Because
Mobile
we are still amen lolo. No, ke Bomodeni attention po denche. Washeje.
Yeah. Sure.
Kema be Mike Tomkie. Lala fame peji nutu money ochunle 100%. Allow your business is going on around.
Oh yeah, boutique.
Oh nice. Oh, nice. I mean, we touch plug here. Try boutique ya da fifi oni man bia na no boutique because touch me we was na no tumo no chu. Any o try ya da fifi touch plug here.
Boutique Mana area, Nipso Hotel. Yeah, around Nipso Hotel.
Okay, Mana any fit for your
school.
Oh nice. I never any go touch plug here. Men nke Mike Tomkie ya make jela la pe if you ne bo amode nya chanya back Mike Tomkie a boutique a Nipso Hotel area chanya venkale sharp ni playboy ke teshin alo gan artist nya limit asopo lamo nya limit da be a limit asopo lamo ani okele pangbe.
Oh yeah your own opinion, understand. Let's neke what limit le shake akwa. Okay. Ken na kan le we fine. She mean again I support it's part of us. No bad that cry for the chenu no ni.
Exactly.
Wo mami make ni bi ona mke na me mi she edwemo ne ke ba won. She benile etile ona make me anu shi mi enu shi.
All right.
Sunny exani ko ake I support like I feel chunk and be you understand. Yeah, I support le wala la nke mi choose ake ma fi support ni mi on pa yan yin. One corner for pata pa for the jako ne ke.
Yeah, support no.
It's any kelbo feel no you need to do your own. Kemo feel no and if
right.
Yeah, but we are versatile, you understand. Okay. Jamal low as support.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, man no you ojugba according to boy. Noni ole femo, but more no feel ojugba. Kaka o copy mo style. You are not comfortable with the style. She because of trend there you call last support femo, last support. Call it gospel, la gospel mo fen way forward. Fen la lani. All right. Chika okwe teshin any wo because my way teshin sande because teshin wo my Tomkie wo lebu teshin wa. Meaning ko okwe wo lucky teshin ne woni musicians struggle only I may get fame to the top and I may mentor when I may get here. Meaning will like it teshin.
Oh, teshin you understand. And call it like obe make we have music lovers, you understand. Right. She to invest in an artist all
right.
Any every more one chief and one chi ni onupa gatekeeper say only your attention then che I may feel me like they support the upcoming artists. Okay. I may believe in we, you understand? Ni it's Sunday balling na kind. One pa fight onupa fan me bo we I may ba on me number support to I may chishke wo me what's one wa fe me ni she
info na ke okay I may believe in nyamie bon ko kwe nyemfe no ko jogba na sana I believe in nyamie I may believe in
good music.
Okay be no you are no jakeshi man be like teshi me kwana ni amon amesumo teshi ameteshi esumo amebo modern ameyeshika ambo modern at least I grow at least that's two ko po teshi teshi be ya top because so many artists come rap your hood come no one put them plus into that hood.
You understand?
Okay. Yeah, Ghana na settings na keteshi na put them one artist pi ni ameka me hebo nyanyo ni ameka ya share ko. See okay dada you want nye link up nyanyo femo ajeloso wa why not gba secret any because bedi nyayo e come femo e feel man before me ni secret ani man bi ale.
Oh dada you want here J nyanyo penny if you in relative.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, if you're Ngokunjo.
Okay.
Or new work pay. When chair of fame, one a la, like it's more in style of singing, my style of singing. Right. More, or we made into a fake, make a look where a trial, make a look of trial, or like it more. Relationship more love agent.
Talk like blood is thicker than water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, no me puni vanaka asuma blood is thicker than water.
Lele, I don't call it. Yes, sir. Friends. Alright, because the relationship is nice one. If any even pull a la put into one and the promoter, and get boom bola with just still the mommy abu. Ni features be ne habwe. It's very, very huge. Me like because hard. If you are a mini current project ni promote biane.
Oh, biane Pum Pum on all the guitar platforms.
All right. I'm a wage mana Pum Pum melo.
Enough.
Enough. Like current lalani. Okay,
well, just mean she no fan. Okay. EP Nimba very soon.
Okay.
Yeah. So. Yeah.
Anyame better she plug the live in your.
You know some more
Pum Pum freestyle in ya no. Megas,
come on here, okay. Mene o bombi amie pumbu nyanga pumbu inge menoto yawo
pumbu nyanga
aye miasanga mafe
pumbu nyanga
inge changa chinjibe
pumbu nyanga
ejegwe we ngbe gogoi
pumbu nyanga
inge menoto yawo
pumbu nyanga
aye miasanga age oko mwene ko shimi maneko mini bo wanya di baba umbo kumo lega uganga eda ubeka senta funyanya agba asemisa what she dey do me be fine waja uba gewe no femi jata pumbu nyanga pumbu
bia pumbu nyanga
okay inga changa tinjibe
pumbu nyanga
eje wa we ngbe gogoi
pumbu nyanga pumbu nyanga
bare so ni
ishakela la yare ba feature 2026 because pumbu nyanga la wala wai chale shi anyami olalaji comment mo ni o don freestyle na fi oni njomo ba no ke o te comment section ya read your comments comment your social media ola ko tumo send me momo beat and your me yes ke no chama pupu nyanga the way they sound yo ke God's time lala sound otomo you want lala ni mokobane ka ke ko lala print you want lala ni ani ke fi o na la kan feedback
oh yeah p
oh really but je me pedi ekole ina comment ni san feel like
nye ya eko porenche aje nagani e
aje one fe oh nice she okay
because of beni or vibe or beni what fit mu yeme or fit mu woje you understand yeah she was fan where different style ke money le wo wa na differences
all right okay be no ni or my Tomkie you be no chankechi lala jin ko me ni nya no ni nya feel like ko le you want lala ni de you lala lele lala chef it mo ne ke you want e fit mo nya mi me ni da na me yeni amejia me yiwo me ko feel like lala you want no ni she my Tomkie single track ni chanke le pe your track no yes sir she anyami my Tomkie lala fe mo ne ina ge nyembo nya yimodin she moko ba bia keshi ani music streaming platforms enye kala je for blame akwe cassette ahun ni ekole artist ba market ni ba ahun cassette ni ba ko esika ni blala epio la because me ni interview na blala gbegbe na blala to mo for I pay one city nya na la kan sika back
ona skani won work for je ni work wo district kid ke audio mark ke ni bi skani work wo je wona na ka shi won boy wo modin wala ke wo se ke wo blow
okay
what international lo wala la share ni san share
okay
wana back wo give up ni mo fia money mba under you understand mo fia money into start music ba ko ke ni bi chale e ka kweshika aspect da boy e ke hard work e wo mi ona like what's kwa we wa
Okay, be ke manu bo share ono no try again investment ni ke wala la me je la kan returns ni ba bia ne ekole no ne woni ba la kan ja ke ekole eni sani ekole nyesha nyesha ko she blow ke nyesha je me e ba pay you try getting your patient for the success the rush for success that's it and motivation you tenya boatwe age neka give you up consistency you will take you there.
Yeah, sure.
You know you are get look up to Chatawale egba a story pin to get belele or look up to le because it exile for 10 years nearby a give you up.
Yeah.
If a drop it down so mene a first track Moko yeah I like be mini drop Moko ya homia after tamo 10 years now they ba drop to the 13 and no they ba drop it dance or king in track but more a tree the nyale okay look up to Tawale inje one because near tree
market block ni those time 2010 fin reach bomonto efi lala she agbone like ina na kai
encouragement
can be only she abi one shy type she ni waliba bini nko bini few ni big
exactly
na can win no for enter studio
you for enter studio
no me we studio what be the studio mo she on me she because of
she I mean one of kai first professional studio track ni o release ni o first professional nka ke freestyle no ashawo avana ashawo egole onye pa no our freestyle you
oya e wo ye piecho mashawo yeah oya e wo ye piecho mashawo oya e wo ye piecho mashawo
avana ene again me ni hear me
ni wa chakemon ma fevo dondo pi dondo money na and you back for ground you she say money na and you back for ground oya e wo ye piecho mashawo no di first you ni
the mini year no drop the track
2016
2016 track next year no 10 years odomo game
2016
9 years mi oyo me promise but she plug and tell me ke o ba share no to no share tell me ke o ba share no to no share mi here ni tell artist bi eni obi e bi nye bo ne mo de nye bo amoni ne ka kwa amoko no le fame lo jogba chale pumpu nyanga ne ina ga make us a produce la anyami make us sanitation amoemi because productions ni efe over the years eke obutuye our hits
wa denche seriously
ola jimpi ni nu kembo production to eke ni bi na ge make us we ejimo ko ni sanitation ya attention be wasande gba okwa na gbe fi oshi ke oyeme ko be no to no ha me shout out when we live plug no jimo fan ke so man no
oh yeah train like a train like a pro
train like a pro
ke ganyobi na Miranda let's support me young style Dani Kubwale Poyoyo
nice one
Ibra understand wa gwa me support me ke just iblo na me mom ni amo ameke me share kra me bencho understand maybe Amani understand Bama active Kenge matche Pison she active city BFN ke Salenko boys fe Aje Felix ona ame to matche ni madame shion ke supporter me mom makers ochiwa you want it bombo ole
da
playboy
ni playboy no we banga when you release like a banga because it like 10 years for over me
like a banga le over release banga
very soon
me to mark like ena tree
Triana nyefe ngbe me no ojine ni kenya na me to me any talent na last promotion ni nyege mbuta chilala nyewo mi wale o mi na le no ko good bad cry
you want is good in his side
mo femo good on my side
inside and good we are versatile you want is versatile it's also versatile she understand you a point of view is clear and
opinion say mo femo your opinion
yo chale I want to attention ayi
exactly
won na me won ji ake won to kokoro emi no na kan we she won to ya won me she won la ya shon ya man say
exactly
understand she won yen la economy nke dada you want no yen
nice one
bad no three
you believe you
understand
we want le ko collab ele bad e ko fe ko no ke you want ba fe bad yes I you want to click or block no ni wo fio take bo na le ten
oh Charlie yen nyuma gbo na yen Charlie nyembo modern wa all right serious because keje be no jinshi Ni o start to can understand. Yeah, I will.
Alright.
Over more from election. Yeah, over more than one. O support artists.
Yeah.
P attention.
Yeah.
J me pe. Over more than dada you want. Often a check Playboy, Mafia, money, Gino, attention support. Osmoni meaning attention we are session. The one way. One if a meaning if a full wala why shown wa femini wa blog you all the shit look over session
you anya me touch plug no ake effort nji touch plug effort ahani if a follow you be okay was and ba wa shike okwo bomode no ato akwara mi na hotel kununu agbene we Christmas ne ka oto for itwe ni look nice alo ko itwe makeup pedicure manicure no feno na feel na ka look good ya GT hairstylist agbene we 26 ni ba ne no ne Boxing Day ofen we August town me ameka na me fe games night ni na kan gbene I get 100 cities to pay no feno to no fe inside there ba ni games e na ba twa FIFA ka no feno yemi ke money ba win ya package na ke ba hale agbene we amedanji ga ni be fe FDA approve no fe na me ho je me FDA ni nation ni ye nshi ni twa keshi hygienic environment ametu oni e ne bo amade ne benka August town bie o was an egba wa anya me
she logo kumi
ameno get fit
check mo kumi gbe
yes sir
kibuale chale kencho gbengbo o ko ke mba show bako
yes
time me bo awo gbe show chale big ups to you
big ups to you kibuale
logbo do
chale anya me ofen we
la sanye push le wa
o push da ke na wala la ko le mbo mo de ni repost oni anytime man na nyala la ko no sharp in repost o ha obe anyami ofen wonye ko mi no ni bole o ke promote wo yes oje ni a da blog ele oje ni a mo fe mo no ba chebo ni alo mo fe mo no to wa mo nya no ha wo o wa na chita mo keno kunu sane ayo ni sisi no ma ba o ba ayo ni aba tunu tumo ni tumo ba ya le jupa bye bye.